I don't know why nobody's talking about this or why this isn't common knowledge. Everybody's obsessed with being an influencer and making money that way, but what if you don't want to do that? What if you don't want your face all over the internet, but you still know there's plenty of money to be made in that space? Well, stay tuned because that's what this whole video is going to be about. What's up guys, my name is Nuke Allen. If you're new here, what I do is teach people how to make money online, mainly with affiliate marketing. If you would like a free 4-day video series of me teaching you affiliate marketing step by step, you can head to the first link in the description. Before we begin, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and hit the bell button so you won't miss future videos like this. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Now this method is pretty simple, not expensive at all, and will really only cost you your time. So what is it? What am I talking about? What do I mean when I say make money on Instagram without showing your face? What you want to do is draw traffic, and by traffic I mean people, to a concentrated source, and once you have people at this source, you can then sell something to them. Now this method is nothing new. I did not come up with this. This has been going on forever. Now the way you're going to exploit this traffic without becoming an influencer is by having an Instagram theme page. Now I know you probably follow or have seen a few of these pages, and the reason they have a lot of followers is because they post very interesting, appealing, and engaging content. Now here's one example of a theme page. This page just posts interior design type videos. You know, this page doesn't even show their face. And what, like for instance, on this post, what they do is just post like appealing pictures that people would look at and that they would like. And they don't even take these pictures themselves. They search through Instagram and find these pictures, and they make sure to give credit in the caption as well, or in the comments. They find these pictures and they repost them, and then they make sure to give credit. And as you can see, this page has 685,000 followers with like 4,600 posts just by reposting these very appealing, very beautiful pictures. And they don't even take the pictures. The bulk of their work comes from searching through the internet, searching through Instagram to find these pictures, and then they give credit. And here's another example of a page in the health niche. As you can see there, they repost food infographics, health infographics, you know, sharing recipes or, you know, suggestions for diet and stuff. And like just like the last post, all they do is find these on the internet, on Instagram, and then they repost them and give credit. They have these infographics, these recipes, and sometimes even funny memes, funny posts like that, and they make sure to provide value in what they're posting. This page has almost 1 million followers just from doing this consistently. And this is the last example I'm going to show right here. This is a dog theme page. You know, everybody loves dogs. So what they do is just find these adorable pictures of dogs and then repost them on their page. And what they do is make sure to give credit as well. Have it right here. Just put a little fun caption, engaging caption, then put the of the credit. And then just like for this one too, they make sure to have a fun caption or whatever, and then put the username of wherever they got the picture from. Now I already know you're thinking, okay Nuke, that's cool, but how are we gonna turn these followers into money? That's where affiliate marketing comes in. Now if you're not aware about what affiliate marketing is, it's an online business model that allows you to partner up with another business to promote their product or service. And whenever someone buys the product or service through your special link, you're going to earn a percentage of the sale called a commission. Most of your favorite companies and brands that you like to shop at have affiliate programs that you can join and get paid to promote their products. And they're completely free to join most times. Now there are plenty of ways you can find these affiliate programs and products to promote, but for the sake of this video and your time, I'm just going to show you one way. If you want to learn more about where you can find these products, you can click the first link down below. That's the free training. It's going to be in there. So what you're going to do is go to clickbank.com and sign up for an account. It's completely free. And then you're going to want to go to this little house right here where it says affiliate marketplace. You're going to be taken to this page where it has different categories and niches that you can choose from. And even if you click the triangle on one of these categories, you'll see subcategories that you can choose from as well. Now if you want to learn more about how to choose a profitable niche, you can click the video in the top right corner right here. Now for this video, I'm going to go with home and garden. Now once you pick your niche, you're going to sort the results by gravity. What gravity means is basically the popularity of the product. They're sorting them by popularity, how many affiliates are promoting this. You're not going to want to promote a product that nobody else is promoting. As hypocritical as that sounds, it's a red flag. It shows that If other people aren't willing to promote that product, it must not be that good. You can scroll through and see what product you want to promote. And the great thing about this website is that you can see the stats of these products and how well they're doing, and like the payment as well. Like for this product right here, the initial conversion is about $63. This means the average person who buys the product the first time, they spend about $63. And they have a recurring bill, whether it be monthly or every 2 months. You can keep getting this commission as well. Like every month, as long as they have the service, you can keep getting that commission. So when trying to find a product, you can click on the link and see what the product is all about, see what the sales page looks like. And then once you find a product that you want to promote, you just click promote, and then you'll be asked to make a nickname. You'll make a nickname before this, and then put your nickname in the account name, press generate hop links, and then this is your affiliate link. Whenever someone buys the product through this link, you will earn a commission. Now for this product, you can see I will earn a 75% commission. That means I'll earn 75% of every sale. Now the commission rates will vary depending on the product you choose and the vendor of the product as well. So since my niche is woodworking, what I would do is make a new Instagram account and start posting woodworking content. This can be the results or like videos of people actually doing woodworking, and then I would post my affiliate link in my bio. So what I do is go on Instagram and search up like keywords and hashtags that relate to my niche. Since my niche is woodworking, I'm typing woodworking. Click enter. And then what I do, I search through all these posts and see like what's doing well, see what's like looks visually appealing, and see content that I can use for my page. So I click on this one. This looks really nice. And then all I do is get these pictures, save them, and then repost them, and then make sure to give credit to wherever you found them from or the original creator of the post. Then you'd also want to follow some of these pages and take note of the hashtags that they're using that you can include in your post as well. But not only do you want to follow them, you want to interact with their posts by liking and leaving an insightful comment, just so you can be seen by more people. You know, their followers will see you too, and if they're interested in their page, they'll probably be interested in yours as well. Now this method can be very profitable, but keep in mind it will not happen overnight. You will have to be consistently post and show up. You know, it's not just going to happen in a snap of a finger. It won't just happen today. Now if you want to learn the business model that we just did more in depth, you can hit the first link in the description. It's a free 4-day video series of me teaching you. If this video helped you in any way or gave you any value, make sure to give this video a like, comment any questions you have, or if you have any video suggestions for me, make sure to comment them down below. I like to make videos based off your comments as well. And if you haven't, hit that subscribe button already, hit the bell notification so you won't miss future videos like this. And lastly, whatever you're going through, always remember Jesus loves you. Trust in him. There's nothing you can do to make him love you any more or any less. Just trust in him and he will see you through. God bless.